So what's your favorite Louisiana dish? One of mine is crawfish bisque. I'm finna show you how to make it. To make a little crawfish stock, we roasted the crawfish heads from crawfish we had the night before. Put in the Holy Trinity, onions, bell pepper, celery, and some garlic. Throw some chicken stock in there, some water. Fill it up. Add that chicken bouillon for flavor. Let it boil. Strain that thing. And then you got some liquid gold. So good. Chopped up some garlic and the Holy Trinity in the food processor. Didn't want to do it by hand. And add some green onion. Chop up your Louisiana crawfish in the food processor. And there you go. Take most of your Holy Trinity, add in some garlic, mix it up, add in that crawfish, buku of that crawfish. Season that thing, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Tony's, parsley. Add in that liquid gold, a whole bunch of it. Add some crab oil for some extra kick. Add your green onion, add your breadcrumbs, put a couple eggs in there, stir that real quick so it don't scramble. And keep adding your breadcrumbs and your stock and your seasoning until you get to that texture and taste you want. Then you stuff your head. I tried to be fancy and stuff it with a plastic bag, but you can do it old school like my mama with a spoon. Roll it in some flour, get a whole bunch of them, and you bake those. For the gravy, start with a roux, do your little flour. Oh, don't go too dark. I don't like a dark roux for this. Add in your Holy Trinity, mix that up. Add in some more garlic, mix that up. Whole can of tomato sauce. I like mine tomatoey. Mix that up. Then you're going to start pouring in all that liquid gold. Look how beautiful that is. Seasoning some more with them same seasonings to taste. Add in your crawfish claws. Then we're going to put them baked crawfish shells in there. That flour on the outside going to make the sauce thicken up. Stir it up. Put some more of that stuffing in there. That's going to give it good flavor, good texture. And add some more seasoning and some green onion and some bay leaves. Take them bay leaves out when you're done. You're going to let that thing cook for a while. It's going to start thickening up. Save some of your crawfish tails to put whole ones in there. And it's going to cook down to this delicious gravy. You put it over some rice. So fire. I love this dish.